What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing something that I've been, waiting to do on the M3. It's definitely been, now it's about time. Finally getting full racing brake pads and new rotors, as well as stainless steel brake lines. So I'm gonna be putting those all in today.
You got oh, no, no.
Alright, so finally got the first one off. Had a little bit of difficulty with the wheel studs. For some reason it just wasn't coming off super easy. I think it's because it's all corroded back here, so I'm going to put some like a compound there so it doesn't seize next time. I have old one there, new one can throw on with the new pads. Just got to clean it off first. Alright, so now I got all the pads in there. Sorry it took me so long, didn't really film much, ran into a couple issues, but now I'm gonna go and bead the brakes in. So I'm gonna do, I think it said 8 to 10 stops from 60 to 0 or to 20, and then do that 6, 7, 8 times, and then because these are track pads, it says to go from 80 to 20 a few times as well, just to make sure that they're properly bed in. And then after that I'm gonna go for just a quick cool down on the freeway, so make sure everything is up to temperature and working properly. And I'll probably go for a little drive after. So after beating them in, you can see just how much dust that they created. So I go ahead and give it a wash right now. Cool. Now we got all the wheels. Go ahead and clean car. It's really dirty. It's hard to see. But we'll go ahead and get that washed up right now. Alright, so I just finished washing my car, cleaning off the wheels after putting the brakes on. I'm just gonna go for a quick drive. There's like this fun little road by my house, so not a big road or a long road, but just a little something fun to do. So I'm gonna head there right now. See right there, the brakes were cold, so it's a little bit harder to stop. But once they're warmed up, they're pretty good. Just do a quick brake right now. That's the squeaking that I was talking about. The stopping power is really, really good, but the noise it makes, I don't know. I haven't got the noise to go away, so it's probably just not getting up to temperature yet, but I'm going to be going to Streets of Willow on July 13th. I don't know if anyone is going to be going there too, but I'm hoping to really get a feel for the brakes and how everything feels under like the proper conditions, because obviously on the street these probably aren't going to get up to the optimal temperature that they should be. That's partially probably why they're still squeaking. So hopefully on the 13th, when I go to Streets of Willow, I can get a good feel for the car and how the brakes feel and everything like that. And like I said earlier, this is like the first like race compound brake that I've had. So I'm hoping to get a feel for this and then eventually move into something more, you know, designated as like a race pad. Whereas this is more like a track/street pad. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you could just subscribe, give it a like, comment down below if you want to see anything specific. And like I said, I'm going to try to be doing at least one video a week for the remainder of the summer. And then once school starts, we'll see where I'm at. But I really want to get back into YouTube. I know I've said that quite a bit now, but I'm hoping that this time I can actually stick to it. So leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.